Nice, nice, very nice. Nana,
Welcome back to Aadhya Raj Makeup Academy. Today's video is all about a special bride and her very first event, the Haldi. This wasn't just any Haldi, it was an outdoor celebration, full of emotions, traditions, and of course, Haldi water. But our bride didn't have to worry, because we made sure her makeup stayed flawless, waterproof and elegant through every tear, splash and smile. Wearing a vibrant blue lehenga, she looked nothing short of royalty, and today, every stunning bridal look begins with flawless skin prep. Our bride had normal to combination skin, and since this was an outdoor daytime Haldi, we had to prep her skin for long wears, sweat and humidity, Haldi water exposure, eyes subtle yet striking. Since her lehenga was a beautiful shade of royal blue, we wanted the eyes to balance and not overpower. Instead of dramatic falses, we went for natural-looking lashes to keep it bridal and fresh.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling about the makeup, about your look?
Makeup is so good. I liked it very much.
We used soft pink and warm brown matte shadows on her lid and crease. Now that her skin was prepped to perfection, a hint of gold shimmer was added to the center for a soft glow. It was time to create a base that could survive the Haldi water. We used waterproof color eye pencil to create a tight-lined upper lash, the outdoor heat and hours of celebration, creating a flawless waterproof base. Step 1, color correction, and foundation. Less is more. For her foundation, we chose a medium to full coverage. Want to learn how to create looks like this? Join our professional or self-grooming makeup courses and get certified. Until next time, keep glowing. Join our 21 days professional certified makeup and hair course. Weekend and weekday course available. Starts from September 1st. Are you a housewife, student, or working professional dreaming of a successful career in makeup and hairstyling? This is your chance. Our 30 days intensive course is specially designed to fit your schedule while giving you complete professional training. Hands-on practice. Industry-recognized certification. Learn bridal, party and HD makeup looks. Hairstyling from basic to advanced. Career guidance and client handling. Learn from the best in the industry and transform your passion into a profession, all in just 4 weeks. Thank you for watching this full bridal transformation. At Aadhya Raj Makeup Academy, we believe in making every bride feel special, not by changing who she is, but by enhancing her features with love and care. If you loved this look, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share it with a bride-to-be who deserves to feel this beautiful on her big day.